हाय एवरीवन, वेलकम टू द स्टोरी बिहाइंड व्हील्स। और आज हमारे साथ ओनर हैं KLX 230 के, विच इज़ काइंड ऑफ अ डर्ट एंड ऑफ रोडिंग बाइक। और हमारे साथ जो ओनर है वो एक डॉक्टर हैं और वो हमारे साथ शेयर करेंगे दैट व्हाट ही लव्स अबाउट द बाइक, व्हाट ही डजंट लव, एंड फाइनली हिज वर्डिंग। और ऐसे इंटरेस्टिंग कंटेंट को देखने के लिए हमारे चैनल को जरूर सब्सक्राइब कीजिए। और अगर आप अपनी स्टोरी भी हमारे साथ शेयर करना चाहते हैं दैन डू कमेंट बिलो। I must say it's a very very different bike to look at first place। मतलब इसको देख के ही एक अंदर से एक जोश आ जाता है कि it's a very different machine। What is the story behind buying this bike?
Like you said, कहीं चले इस बाइक को देख करके ही फीलिंग आती है कि let's conquer mountains, let's do uncharted territories।
And I think for this kind of a bike, and what is the mileage you are getting from this bike in city and in highway?
Mileage is decent।
Which is the wow factor about this bike? आपका सबसे favorite चीज़ क्या है इस बाइक? Oh! Any service issue, any maintenance issue which you are facing in this bike?
So comes at the higher side, but owning a Ducati and previous super bikes, I think that doesn't bother me।
That doesn't bother। कि इस बाइक के बारे में ऐसी क्या चीज़ें हैं जो आपको उतनी अच्छी नहीं लगती? What are not so good things about this bike? So
in long distance you will feel it's not very comfortable for
account। Will you buy this bike again or you will consider something else? 45,000. And finally, if I ask you to rate this bike on a scale of 10, then what would it be?
I would give the rate will go higher once I do dirt riding।
Dirt
I think,
riding.
yeah।
Great. Tushar, welcome to the show. A pleasure hosting you, and thank you so much for taking out time।
Pleasure is mine।
And I must say it's a very very different bike to look at first place। मतलब इसको देख के ही एक अंदर से एक जोश आ जाता है कि it's a very different machine। So first thing जो हमारे viewers आपसे जानना चाहेंगे that what is the story behind buying this bike?
Like you said, कहीं चले इस बाइक को देख करके ही फीलिंग आती है कि let's conquer mountains, let's do uncharted territories। So yeah, the first reason behind buying this bike, to be honest, was the price drop। they have made an excellent job by manufacturing this bike in India, which has slashed the price by almost 1 lakh rupees। So earlier when it was launched at 3.5 but now at 2.3, this is a bargain।
This is a bargain। I think Kawasaki ने इस प्राइस पॉइंट को इस बाइक को रख दिया है कि it's a deal very hard to refuse। and like Tushar mentioned that इस बाइक को देख के ही आपको एक मन करता है कि आप इस बाइक को लेके किसी भी ऑफ रोडिंग के लिए, डर्ट बाइकिंग के लिए, किसी माउंटेन्स को एक्सप्लोर करने के लिए निकल जाओ। सो दैट इज द स्टोरी बिहाइंड दिस बाइक। बट तुषार, सम मोर स्टोरी आउट ऑफ इट, दैट which variant is this and what is the price you paid for?
So basically this comes in only one variant। If you want the on-road spec, there's another off-road spec which doesn't have the headlights and the indicators। Basically it's not road legal। So I paid somewhat close to 2.3 and the off-road variant comes at around 2.1।
And what is the kilometer have you driven so far with this bike?
It's fairly new, so I think I have clocked 1,000 kilometers।
1,000 kilometers। And I think one question which is a very weird question to ask for this kind of a bike, and what is the mileage you are getting from this bike in city and in highway?
Mileage is decent। It's just a single cylinder 230 cc engine, so mileage I've not calculated, but I think it will be around in the ballpark of 25 to 35।
25 to 35, that's a decent mileage to expect from the bike, which is almost 230 cc, and this is also fully loaded with ABS and everything। So we are going to the next section जहाँ पे तुषार हमसे ये बात करेंगे, that is what is one wow thing about this bike, what are the few things which he really loves about this bike। So तुषार, KLX 230 अगर मेरे viewers आपसे जानना चाहेंगे that is what is one thing which is the wow factor about this bike? आपका सबसे favorite चीज़ क्या है इस बाइक में?
Let me just show it to you।
Oh, this is lovely। This
I
is
know
lovely।
it's not sounding much, but after a exhaust mod, I think it'll be sounding good।
No, definitely। I must say that इस बाइक को देखने के बाद just मुझे लगा कि मैंने टाइम मशीन पे ट्रैवल किया है and I'm back into the age when I was in my engineering days। So Tushar, if I ask you that apart from this, you know, that the rev of the engine and the pleasure noise it brings to you, that what are the few things which you really love about this bike?
First of all, the go anywhere capability। The long travel suspension makes it breeze over the pothole ridden roads of India। And also if you want to go conquer Leh Ladakh, you can do that easily। And the torque basically, it's a mountain goat, so it needs to have torque। and you have switchable ABS, so you can just slide your rear tire and have some fun with it. I'm still learning the intricacies of a dirt bike riding style, but yeah, it is.
And if I ask about the mileage, you have already indicated about this bike, but overall, any service issue, any maintenance issue which you are facing in this bike?
So I've been told that it's on the higher side. The service of this bike comes at the higher side, but owning a Ducati and previous super bikes, I think that doesn't bother me.
That doesn't bother. Great. So next thing which we'll be asking Tushar is that he has mentioned about what are the things which he loves about this bike. But ऐसे कुछ चीज़ें होंगी जो इनको इतनी अच्छी नहीं लगती होगी इस बाइक के बारे में. So let's go to the next section where he will be talking about what are the few things he doesn't like about this bike. So तुषार, I think the most brutal round जहाँ पे हमारे व्यूअर्स आपसे जानना चाहेंगे कि इस बाइक के बारे में ऐसी क्या चीज़ें हैं जो आपको उतनी अच्छी नहीं लगती है. What are not so good things about this bike जो लोगों को ध्यान रखना चाहिए before buying this?
So long distance comfort, I guess, because of the narrow seat, and it's not very well. It's fairly well padded, but in long distance you will feel pain in your hip area, and they have lowered the travel suspension on this, so it moves lesser. But in spite of that, they have not reduced the ground clearance. So for my height, I'm a little tiptoeing around. And also it's not very comfortable for the pillion because accidentally they might touch the silencers.
So I think that is a very crucial point which you have highlighted, Tushar. And if I ask you to kind of a very time machine kind of a question, if I give you a time machine and you can go back to a time, and if you have a same budget, same kind of a money in your account, will you buy this bike again or you will consider something else?
If same budget, yes, definitely, because there's nothing in the market. They might have Hero Expulse, but this machine supersedes that. And better would be that they launch a 400cc version of this. So I might, anyone will pay a 1 lakh rupee extra for that.
I think that will be a better deal. And any clarity on the maintenance cost of this bike? Like what is the maintenance cost of this bike and servicing cost from Saudi?
Same, 10 to 15,000 odd kilometers if you're not doing trail riding every day. And I have not done its first servicing yet, but I think it should not be more than 4 to 5,000.
More to 4 to 5,000. And finally, if I ask you to rate this bike on a scale of 10, then what would it be?
I would give it a fairly 7.
7. Yeah. And why there is a deduction of 3 marks? ऐसा क्यों हो रहा है इसके साथ?
Because it's not fair. It's not fair. But it's a biased opinion since I ride inline 3 and a L2N. So the single cylinder just
वो पंच नहीं मिल पा रहा होगा आपको जो योर डुकाटी पानीगल वाज ऑन उसके बाद अगर आप इस बाइक को राइड करेंगे then I think it's not an apple to apple comparison. आपको वो फील होगा कि
I have not done track dirt riding on this, so I can the rate will go higher once I do dirt riding. I think. Yeah.
Great. So that's all viewers from our end. आपके पास कोई भी क्वेश्चन है तुषार के लिए इस बाइक से रिलेटेड, then you can shoot it on the comment section. और आपको ऐसे इंटरेस्टिंग कंटेंट देखने हैं, do subscribe the channel and thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye bye.